Express x plus 5 over x minus 3 times x plus 1 in partial fractions. So in step 1, we're gonna write one partial fraction for each of the factors on the denominator. So x plus 5 over x minus 3 times x plus 1 is going to be a1 over x minus 3 plus a2 over x plus 1. After that, we're gonna do cross multiplication. So x plus 5 is going to be equal to a1 times x plus 1 plus a2 times x minus 3. So now we're gonna find the constants. So to find the constant, first we're gonna substitute the roots of the 0 to find it as a first step. So x minus 3 equal to 0 plus 3 plus 3. X is gonna be equal to positive 3. After that, we're gonna substitute the positive 3 in each of the x variables. So it's going to be 3 plus 5 equals a1, which is 3 plus 1 plus a2, which is 3 minus 3. Now 3 plus 5 is 8, and 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 3 minus 3 is 0, so a2 is going to be 0. So this is cancelled. Divide by 4, divide by 4, a1 equals 2. So we're gonna write it here, a1 equals 2. And now we're gonna find a2. We're gonna do the same steps. So x plus 1 equals 0. So minus 1, x is going to equal negative 1. So we're going to substitute each of the x's by negative 1 as we did before. So it's going to be negative 1 plus 5 equals a1, which is negative 1 plus 1 plus a2, and then times negative 1, negative 3. So negative 1 plus 5 is going to equal to 4, which equals a1, which is 0, and cancel it, plus a2, which will be negative 4. Now negative 4 divided by negative 4, a2 equals negative 1. So now we found a1 and a2. So the last step is to substitute the a1 and the a2. So now we have the answer. X plus 5 divided by x minus 3 times x plus 1 is 2 over x minus 3 minus 1 over x plus 1. And this is the final answer.